Use are or where the subject is plural. Kailan na natin gagamitin yung be verb na are or where? If the subject is, kailan natin gagamitin yung be verb na are or where? If the subject is plural. Again, plural. Plural. Ito yung plural yung is or are or where. Number 1, example number 1. Sino yung makabasa? Christine. Basahin mo, Christine. The children are playing in the park. Present tense or past tense? Present tense. Very good. Alin. Children, singular or plural? Plural. At bakit plural? Bakit tama yun? Tama na plural. Bakit plural? Okay, very good. Dahil marami silang children. Tama. And then, kaya ginagamit na yung are. Magsiyok po. Hindi pa tayo children dahil marami sila. And are dahil marami. And it is a present tense. Pangalawa, sino makabasa? Mary Jean. Again? We were at the park yesterday. Ano yung we? Singular and plural? Very good. We dahil marami. Marami and where? Bakit where kaya ginagamit ito? Dahil tapos na. It is past tense na. Past na. So, we were at the park yesterday. Kaya ginagamit yung where dahil marami sila. And also, it is a past principle of are. Maliwanag ba? Opo. We were at the park yesterday. Tama na. Where yung ginagamit dahil past principle siya ng are. Last, use the be verb if the subject is what? We can use the be verb if the subject is what? If the subject is I, and also it is a singular. Okay. Example number 1. Sino makabasa? John. I am reading. Yung subject is singular plural. Singular. And you will use dahil pag ay dapat lang talaga gamitan ng dahil present din siya. Pwede din gamitin natin. O diba? Kung ito ay present tense, ito naman ay ito ay present tense at ito ay past tense. Okay, maliwanag ba? Mayroon pa bang katanungan?
I-continue dayaan malaw ni ma'am ngayon. Malaw dahapon.